Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a smooth motion blur video on CapCut. So first, you need to add your clips and just go to the video effects. Click on the nightclub tab, then select blur. Okay, this one, blur. Click on adjust and set the blur into around 60 and the range 0. Click on the check icon and now apply it to the entire video. And go back, go to adjust and lower the brightness of the video into -10. Click on the check icon, apply it to the entire video, then just export the video. Then you can just go back and delete the adjustment and also the effects, and in here add the video that you've just exported as overlay. Okay, fit the size like this and then go to opacity and lower it to 0. Click on a check icon and now add keyframes in between the clips and also in the middle of each clip. So here, like this. Just align it with your clips. Okay, the last one. And now go to the keyframe in between the clips, so this one, and go to opacity and set it into 100. So do this for the keyframe for each clip, in between the each clip. Sorry. Okay, the last one, like this, and then go in between the two keyframes. Okay, so first this one, go to grabs, then select ease in 3. Click on the check icon, and for the next two keyframe, in between the next two keyframe, select ease out 3. So you need to for the next two keyframes you need to choose ease in 3 again, so do it alternatingly between ease in 3 and also ease out 3. Like this. Okay, the last one. And now you are done, and here is the result for the smooth motion blur video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.